Nature's Logic fish oil supplements are a delicious way to add essential fatty acids to your dog or cat's diet. These golden oils are rich in marine omega-3s that are not naturally present in your pet's body. Simply pump 1 teaspoon onto your pet's kibble, raw, or canned food daily. These supplements help nourish dry skin, reduce inflammatory responses of the joints, kidneys, and heart, and promote a healthy and shiny coat. Our fish oils are available in sardine and salmon flavors and come in 16-ounce or 32-ounce bottles.